flying codfish.
Hey!
Need a little help?
I shall never accept help from the likes of you!
Suit yourself. Happy flying. Oh, that's right. You can't fly. He's all yours, Tick-Tock Croc.
Who wants to play Belay? Belay. That's a pirate game that we like to play with a buccaneer birthday crew. It's a scurvy jig with a start and stop in two. It's like a cakewalk, but with a pirate rock. So you dance till it's time to freeze. So listen for the word that's stop in sailory.